I've been seeing pumpkin spice makeup all over TikTok, so let's create a look in partnership with CVS. To get some pumpkin spice inspired makeup, I use the buy online and pick up in store method on the CVS app. It's super easy and convenient since I'm busy with work right now. Now let's hop into the pumpkin spice part of this tutorial. I warmed up the cheeks with an orange blush and added this glowy elf blush on top. Next I worked on the eyes. I used this Maybelline eyeshadow block to create a base. Then I took this pumpkin orange shade from the Cream Shop palette and focused it on the center of my eye. Then I darkened up the outer edge with these spice color shades in the Maybelline palette again. Nothing says fall like some brown liner, so I added that to the lash line. Then I topped it off with some mascara and brow gel, and no fall look is complete without an orangey lip gloss to finish it off. Now this is the final look, and I highly recommend stopping by your CVS to get some new pumpkin spice products for this look.